yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life My Way. We got some unboxings to do.
Well, okay, let's get one thing straight. We were supposed to actually show you unboxing this. Somebody got a little impatient.
I did. Well, you were unboxing the other one.
That's right. Well, I was more than unboxing the other one. All right. Hamilton Beach. Got it off of Amazon. It was the 8-quart. We checked, where did we check? Walmart. They had a 7-quart, I think, for the same price. We like this one, and I'll show you why in a minute. So at least it matches our other one now. Because our other one's black.
Our small one, yeah.
But here is...
It's a feature we haven't had on anywhere.
So this here, you wrap the cord around.
Put it. Other way.
Is it the other way?
There. Oh no, maybe not.
No, I'm sure, because...
No, it goes in the slot.
No, it's like
Oh,
that.
like that. Oh, yeah,
so
yeah.
So everything runs
Yeah. Cool.
back into the pot and not all over the...
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, that's a cool feature. I like that one.
Yeah. I like the...
And we kept the pot and the lid from our other one, thinking that it was the same size, but it wasn't. It was only a 7. This is an 8-quart, so we'll just get rid of the other pot and lid.
Well, the burner part's already gone in here.
Well, yeah, but this and this can go to a thrift store.
Yeah.
So, I like it. Just a basic, nothing fancy, but it does what we need.
Well, hopefully.
Not 10 hours for some soup.
Yeah.
Oh.
I always kind of started wondering, because lately when we used it, it seemed
Yeah, I know.
it was starting to be a little longer.
I know.
So
Now you're going on to show them
the new barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm not showing you putting it together. No, because it was a very slow process. Very slow. I had to take my time.
Well, you even came in with cramps in your legs, so.
Well, in my feet.
Yeah.
Not so much my legs, but in my feet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's from kneeling down and like having the feet like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Well, I got tires changed over too today.
Yes, you did.
Yeah.
And I was up all night with insomnia, so I didn't accomplish anything today.
So when I looked for a bar, I went to Canadian Tire and Home Depot. So.
Where'd you get it?
And at Home Depot. They had a cheaper one, but it was cheaper. Like, they had a couple already made, and you take them and you shake them and they wobble.
You ever seen that little girl on social media, and she's like, got lipstick all over her face, and her mommy or daddy says, where'd you get lipstick? And she goes, my lipstick?
At Home Depot. Yeah.
Every time I hear Home Depot, I see that little girl. Yeah. That's so funny.
The only thing with this one, compared to the Broiler King that we had, the Broiler King was all cast iron. This is not. But I almost bought the Broiler King. It was $500 and I just didn't want to go $500 on the barbecue. It already hurt me enough when I was trying to look for parts for the Broiler King. They would have been over $200 with tax.
Oh wow!
For the new burner and the grills, the racks. The burner they would add to order, and they couldn't tell me when it would be.
Gotcha.
They said it could be 3 weeks, could be 2 weeks, could be a month, could be 2, because it's an older one and they don't do the burners like that anymore. So.
Well, we've had it for at least 10, 12 years.
Yeah, it'll be 9, and I think I mentioned this. Showing the other barbecue. We've been here 9 years this summer, and we had that one for at least 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Before we moved, so.
But it was free.
It owed us nothing. I didn't even. That was the original burner in that.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
That was the original burner in that barbecue. I never changed the burner out on that. Yeah.
Yeah, all I had to do was do a math problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which is a problem with me. I hate numbers.
You're a problem, all right. Okay.
Anyway, all right, on to the barbecue.
So this is the shadow's really bad. This is the new barbecue. It's obviously still in the box. I have to put it together. So when I went to go price out parts for my old barbecue, between the burner and new grilling racks, it would have been over $200 with tax. So I said, well, it's time to pull the trigger and just buy a new barbecue. I've had that one for, we'll be here 9 years this summer, and I had it for at least 3 years when we lived in North Bay, so I've had it for quite some time. So it really owes me absolutely nothing. Kelly actually won that barbecue. I was gone away and she put her name in a draw and she won it down at the, I think it's the Sobeys that's in North Bay. I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's Sobeys. Yeah. So it was a good barbecue. And the barbecue in whole itself is still good, but it's just hard to get parts for it because it is an older one. So they would have had to order the burner for it. And the burner was, I think, $70. And the new plates were $80. And I figured by the time you did that with tax, and it just wasn't worth it. I just, you know what, it's time to buy a new one. All right, barbecues all together. Took me a little while. Slow patience. Let's call it broil meat. Let's just stay inside. There you go. That's it. All ready for the barbecue season.
Yesterday